My name is Johannesburg from the Canadian Solar South African Power Electronics team, and today we're visiting a recently completed installation here in the south of Johannesburg, South Africa. The PV power is generated by Canadian Solar PV modules, and the power is converted by the brand new 100% designed and manufactured Canadian Solar grid-tied inverter. This 120 kilowatt inverter has 9 MPPTs with an output current of 32 amps per MPPT.
The business is a 24-hour operation. Power interruptions is a very costly exercise for them. They had run with generators. They also wanted to look at the fuel savings part of the business. We had Canadian Solar kindly give us the protocols in order for us to integrate that into a system which allows them to have some fuel savings along with the solar system.
We take paper products, paper reels basically, and we convert them into cardboard sheets through a lamination process using heat and starch. Obviously heat requires a lot of power. The cost of power is going up at a tremendous rate every year, but more around trying to take pressure off the whole energy system, Eskom, and trying to be self-sustainable and more green. We can track things remotely. We can see where we can be more efficient on our power usages.
And of course, a very unique thing of this unit is that it comes standard with a 10-year warranty. For us as an EPC, it is absolutely paramount to have local support. It gives us peace of mind. It gives our client peace of mind. Of course, Canadian Solar being a world leader of PV panel manufacturers, they can obviously manufacture the inverter and the panels to integrate seamlessly.